Before buying a projector, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. You might think all projectors are created equal, but trust me, the differences can be huge.
Product number 1, TMY Mini Projector. We have the TMY 1080p Full HD Portable Mini Projector, priced at just $47.46. What really caught my attention was the fact that it comes with an 80-inch foldable projector screen included. If you want a budget-friendly option for movie nights or gaming, this is worth a serious look. TMY's projector supports 1080p HD video and offers a brightness of 10,000 to 1, which means you can enjoy clear, vibrant images whether you're indoors or outdoors. It connects easily to your devices via HDMI or USB, making it a plug-and-play solution for movie nights or gaming marathons. Plus, the built-in Bluetooth feature allows you to connect to external speakers, enhancing your audio experience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can stream from your phone, laptop, or gaming console without complicated setups. Now, some people complained that the sound quality from the built-in speaker isn't great. Here's the thing though, if you're using it outdoors or in a big room, you'll want to hook it up to a better sound system anyway, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, portable option for casual movie nights or gaming. However, skip this one if you're looking for professional cinema quality. For under $50, you really can't beat the value. Now, if the low sound quality bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, HopRun Projector. We have the HopRun Native 1080p projector, which retails for $84.95. What I noticed right away is its lightweight design, making it super portable. If you want a projector that's easy to carry around without losing quality, this one's worth considering. This projector offers native 1920 by 1080 resolution, providing sharper and more vibrant images. It's designed for home cinema use, and with 200-inch screen capability, it can turn your living room into a mini theater. The Bluetooth 5.1 technology allows you to connect to Bluetooth speakers or headphones, which is great for those cozy movie nights. The built-in hi-fi stereo speakers also add to the experience, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a great audio-visual experience without the hassle of additional speakers, this is a solid choice. Some customers mentioned that it lacks some advanced features like Google TV. But honestly, if you're just looking for straightforward quality projection, this isn't a deal breaker. It still performs well for streaming. This is perfect for you if you want a portable projector for home use or outdoor movie nights. However, skip this if you're specifically looking for smart features. For the price, it delivers a fantastic viewing experience. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for tech enthusiasts.
Product number 3, Orzen Roku Projector. Let's talk about the Orzen Roku TV Smart Projector, which you can grab for $129.98. What caught my eye is that it has Roku built in, making it super easy to access all your favorite streaming services. If you want a projector that doubles as a smart TV, this is definitely worth your attention. With 1080p FHD resolution and a simple interface, it allows you to stream over 500 TV channels without needing extra remotes or dongles. The autofocus feature is a nice touch. Just power it on, and it adjusts to give you a sharp picture instantly. And let's not forget the dual 5-watt speakers that enhance your audio experience. Here's why this matters for you. It means less fuss and more time enjoying your favorite shows and movies. However, some users did mention that the setup process can be a bit tricky if you're not tech savvy. But here's the thing, once you get through the initial setup, it's as easy as pie to use. This projector is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one streaming solution at home, but skip this if you prefer traditional projectors without smart capabilities. For its features, it's a solid investment for entertainment lovers. Now, if the smart capabilities don't appeal to you, let's move on to something that's incredibly portable.
Product number 4, Seabest Mini Projector. The Seabest Portable Mini Projector, which is priced at just $29.99. Honestly, for that price, it's pretty impressive. It's incredibly compact, making it a great option if you want something that's easy to take anywhere. This projector supports 1080p resolution and can project images between 30 to 130 inches. It features a built-in speaker and offers multiple connectivity options like HDMI and USB,
so you can easily connect it to your smartphone or laptop. Here's why this matters. It allows you to have a mini movie theater experience on the go, whether you're camping or just want to have a movie night in your backyard. That said, a few users have mentioned that it doesn't support Netflix or Amazon Prime directly. Here's the thing though, you can still use it with an external device like a Fire Stick, which opens up your streaming options. This projector is perfect for you if you need an ultra-portable option for casual viewing. However, skip it if you want a high-end projector experience. For under $30, it's a steal for casual use. Now, if the limitations on streaming services concerned you, check out this next one that offers more flexibility.
Product number 5, Gelingsning Portable Projector. We have the Gelingsning Wireless Mini Projector, which is available for $29.98. What really impressed me is that it supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, making it highly versatile for modern tech users. If you want a projector that keeps up with your devices, this one is worth a look. With 1080p support and a contrast ratio of 1500:1, your images will be sharp and colorful. The 180-degree swivel feature allows for flexible placement, whether you want to mount it on the ceiling or project from a wall. This is great because it can adapt to different viewing environments. Here's why this matters for you. It gives you the freedom to set it up however you want without sacrificing quality. Some people have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy during operation, but honestly, most projectors have some noise, and for the features you get, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a projector that's flexible and modern. However, skip this if you're sensitive to noise. For the price, it's an excellent option packed with features.
We've covered some fantastic options here. The TMY Mini Projector is a budget-friendly choice with great portability. The Hoprun offers a lightweight, high-definition experience. The Orzen Roku Smart Projector brings the best of streaming directly to your living room. The C-Best Mini Projector is perfect for casual users on the go. And finally, the Galinx Wireless Mini Projector offers modern connectivity. Whatever your needs are, there's a solid projector on this list for you.